Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Jamaican spice bun. This is the traditional bun that we have around the Easter season. Alright, let's get right into it. So we're going to use 3.5 cups of flour. And all the ingredients are listed on the screen. Also, if you check the video descriptions, there's detailed descriptions of all the ingredients and the baking instructions. So we're combining all our dry ingredients together. I'm using a stand mixer to combine my ingredients and to do the work for me, but you can achieve the same result if you put all your ingredients into a bowl and you manually do all your mixing together. You'll achieve the same results, except you're going to put in much more work. So at this point, I'm combining my wet ingredients with my dry ingredients. I'm adding molasses, vanilla, all my wet ingredients. So once you combine all the ingredients, you're going to want to use your stand mixer to mix it for about roughly 7 minutes or so. And if you're doing this manually, it might take you about 15 minutes to get everything cooperated and get your dough at the right texture that you want. So at this point, our dough is nice and soft and supple, and I'm just using a scraper to scrape everything off the bread hook. And we're going to put our dough onto a clean surface and start doing some manual kneading. So I usually flour my surface with a handful of flour. And then we just gently roll and fold your dough. Keep working that dough, work it in to achieve a nice texture. So this part we usually do for roughly 4 to 5 minutes. And if your dough is starting to get a little bit too sticky, you can add some vegetable oil to your hand and sort of work it in so that your hands aren't sticking to the dough. So at this point right now, putting our dough into a greased bowl, and we're going to set it aside for an hour. If you're still watching, please like, subscribe to the channel. So after an hour, this is what our dough looks like. It's risen, and we're going to put it back onto our clean surface, flour our surface, and we're just going to repeat the process. We're going to knead our dough, we're going to fold it, roll it, just so it's nice and soft and supple. And at this point, you can add any additional fruits that you want. I'm putting some more mixed peel down. You can add more cherries, more raisins. So I'm stretching my dough. Stretching your dough help to activate that gluten protein and let the dough get very tight and sticky. And again, if you find that your hands are sticking to your dough, you may want to add a little bit of oil. Just a little bit of oil, that will prevent the dough from sticking to your palms of your hands. So right now I'm cutting my dough into 3 equal parts. I'm going to weigh them. So I made 3 buns. The ingredients that I listed on the screen is to make 1 bun. Alright, so each bun weighs roughly about 2 pounds. Greasing my baking pans. And now we're going to roll and fold individual cut. We're going to mold it into a nice bread shape. At this point, I'm just kind of using my hands to shape the dough to fill the space inside the pan. I'm also, guys, going to list in the description where you can buy these pans on Amazon. These are very good pans. So now we're going to put our bread aside for another 45 minutes to rise. This is how it looks after it rises. I did spray it down with some vegetable oil so it looks a little shiny and looks good. We're going to put these in the oven at 370 degrees for 30 minutes. So for our glaze, we're going to use 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and about 30 ml of water. And we're adding roughly about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So we're just stirring this thoroughly. Now our buns are out the oven. They came out beautifully, no cracks. So I usually take them out the pan immediately after they are removed from the oven. And now we're gonna apply our glaze gently and generously across all the surfaces of our bun. And there you go, guys. These buns came out absolutely phenomenal. I was really impressed with the results, and the person who I baked these for was very happy. Feedback was really good. Very soft texture. This goes well with a slice of cheese. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate your support. Please continue to like, leave a comment, share the videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a blessed day.